As usual, I'm gonna trade on Pocket Option website, and I'm gonna use the fractal strategy. First of all, how can we find it? We click on indicators, and here we choose fractal. The settings are default, so you can see it's period 2 only, and that's it. Okay, I'm gonna use 1 minute time frame candles, and I'm gonna choose currency pairs with the highest payout percent. And the main thing, how this strategy works. Actually, this strategy helps us to find the support and resistance levels, and how to find them, how to read them, and let's get started. Here we see the arrows, green arrows and the red ones. So we see that they're situated in the tops of the candles everywhere, and that means that it's the maximum price here. Okay, and what should we do? First of all, we click on right here, horizontal lines. We need 2. Okay, and we find the support and resistance levels. Okay, for example, it will be right here and here. Okay, and we see that the graphics is going in this price corridor. So here we see that the green candle broke the resistance line, and we have to pay attention on the last 2 arrows. Okay, then we see that the indicator shows us that it will go down, and we make put option right here. Okay, this strategy is not really easy, but you need to think and to improve your technical analysis. Okay, and let's get started. I see this all resistance and support lines without lines, and you can draw them for your practice, and then you also can see them without these lines. Okay, and let's try to make some money. Well guys, I want to make a put option right here, so I'm gonna explain you now. So we will draw 2 lines. Okay, and we see that the graphics is going in this corridor. Well, here it goes to the top, and we see that indicator shows us that it's a good moment to make a put option. So we see that the candle came to the resistance level, and I made put option. Okay. Well guys, 3 seconds left, and it's absolutely profit, as I said. So now I think it will go up until this line. Okay, but we will look for another good entry point. Well guys, right here I'm gonna make call option. Okay, so I'm gonna explain you now. Okay, so as you can see, we see 2 lines, support and resistance. So here we see that the candle came to the support level, and also we see that the fractal shows us that it's a good moment to make a call option. So I've made it, and now we will wait until the trade will close. Well guys, and the second trade was also closed in profit. Okay, and let's continue. Well guys, here I will open a call trade, so now I'm gonna explain. So we see the resistance and support level. Okay, and we see that the graphic is going in this corridor, and we see that the candle, that the graphics broke the resistance line. Okay, and when it breaks it, for example, also right here and here, we look on this arrow, and it says us that it's a good moment for us to make call option. Well guys, I'm gonna explain now. I made a double bet because accidentally the graphs fell down, and we have profit, so you can see this one was loss and double bet was in profit. Okay, and let's continue. Well guys, I want to open a put option right here, so I'm gonna explain. Okay, so we see the support and resistance levels, so it's here and here. Okay, so we see that the graph is going in this corridor, and we see that the fractal shows us that it's going to fall down. Okay, so we see it's scalping, and let's wait until the trade will close. Well guys, and we have profit, and I think we can do some more trades now. Okay, and let's continue. Well guys, I'm going to open put option right here. So as you can see, I will show now without lines. So this is the resistance level and the support level, and now it's going to fall down until this one. So fractal shows us that it's a good moment to open a put trade. Okay, let's wait for the end. Well guys, 3 seconds left and it's absolutely clear profit. Okay, and I think that we should stop for today. Finally we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades in profit and 1 loss. I think this strategy will really help you in technical analysis to start learning it, and it will help you with the levels. Also, we haven't saw the situations with the uptrend and the downtrend, and also you can use it with trends. I think in the next videos we will see the situations, and I'm gonna explain you how to work with trends. Okay, thank you so much for your attention guys. I hope the video was useful and interesting for you. If it was, please subscribe to my channel and put your likes, and also